welcome back to another video. If you're new to my channel, my name is Miss Tamika. I upload videos once a week, which is Sunday, and then I also throw in bonus videos throughout the week. And with that being said, y'all know I love sharing. So I said, if y'all want to see what I'm talking about, then y'all know what y'all need to do. Y'all need to click on my subscribe button, y'all, because it really helps out my channel. The look, because I'm in the process of getting dressed because I do have to work today. I was off for like 2 days, so I ended up going out to the mall and ended up going like to the outside shops, and I came across this particular item where I work at. This is all I see, shopping at Lululemon, and I ended up coming across this little item. Y'all may already know of it, but I decided to purchase it because I was like, okay, this would be a cute like mom bag type thing when I'm out and I don't want to bring like my, you know, designer bags or whatever the case is. So little bag, and I will try and link this down below, you all, because I'm a sports mom. This will come in handy if you're an everyday mom. If you're not a mom, it'll still come in handy, you all. I just thought this was like the perfect little item. I like running out, and I sometimes don't get dressed. I don't put on makeup and all of that. So I just wanted something comfortable. So y'all, I came across this little pink, it's a belt bag, because you can wear it across your chest. You can wear it as a belt bag, but anytime, any belt bags I ever purchase, I never wear them as a belt bag. Make this longer. Can, like I said, wear this as a belt bag like so. I'm sure you can, like, oh no, it's choking me, you all. You can, oh yeah, you can, okay. Yeah, because I was about to say, that's choking me. Well, let me share with my YouTube friends, because y'all know I love sharing something cute. So with this particular bag, I just plan to carry my essentials. So if you like myself, who, since I have my iPhone, I do have the iPhone 12 Pro Max, and as you can see, that fits perfectly in the inside. For whatever reason we need a lip gloss, you can put that inside as well. Show you what can fit. Let me show you the features of the bag. So here you have a mesh pocket, back pocket here. You also have a mesh pocket here, which is connected, well, which is separated, so you can put some stuff here, and you can also put some stuff here without it like all running together, if you get what I'm saying. Just one straight pocket, and then you also have a pocket in the back, a little pink pull tab. And then you have the Lululemon symbol on here, the Lululemon in the inside. So like I was saying, you can put your iPhone in here like so. In the back pocket, let's put it in the back pocket so we can have more room. So as you can see, it fits perfectly in the back pocket. So yeah, I have my Blotterazzi, so I can place that in the little pouch like so. Wallet. So this here is like a small full-size kind of wallet. We have lip products, because of course we need that. And let's see what else. You can fit a hand sanitizer, the Bath and Body Works one. Pen. We can also fit a pen in the inside. Let's see what else. We can put more in here, you all. Can't forget my AirPods. So I'm gonna go ahead and place the AirPods in one of those little mesh pockets. So most likely this would be everything that I would carry. Of course, my keys won't fit in here. Most of the time when I carry my keys, I just carry them on my wrist. If for whatever reason you want to carry some wet ones, like just in case you have a baby or a toddler. So, and close her. So with this, I'm gonna take it out the case just so it can, because it's kind of bulky with the case on. So as you can see, me taking the case off, it just made it less bulky looking. Thing holds a lot and it closed perfectly. Like now in the back part, this is probably where I would carry my I guess my Bath and Body Works coupons, because I do have some coupons. And then you also, if I didn't mention, you have Lululemon on the zipper pull here, and you also have Lululemon here on the tab right here. So now, since I stretched it out, let's see how it looks on. This is also, I'm sure, a running bag. Like if you run, walk, or whatever, you can carry this with you with your essentials. Fits everything perfectly. Of course, I will probably loosen this up, but for the sake of the video, I'm just showing you all how everything looks and how it looks on my body. This here, if I didn't mention you all, this here is $38. I don't know why I thought this was more expensive, because when I saw at my particular store, I see a lot of people come in with this particular bag. So I was like, oh, what bag is that? And they was like Lululemon. So in my mind, I'm like, Lululemon is very expensive. Because I went in there yesterday and they had a pair of workout pants that were like $98. I really never tried Lululemon to really see if it works for me. All this, I was like, ooh. And then when I saw the price, I'm like, oh, I'm gonna get this. So I ended up so I told my daughter if she likes it, I'll go ahead and get her one, because like I said, it's affordable. And I like the fact that in the summertime when we're at the pool, I can also bring this along with us and don't have to worry about anything, because of course I won't bring my nicer bags to the pool. I just thought this was something I was like, oh, I have to share with my YouTube friends, because I'm sure a lot of y'all like myself likes to be hands-free, comfortable when you shopping. Like this is one of those bags I would take to the outlet, have everything close to you. So like if you're at the register, of course, like I said, I will loosen this up more. Let me see, I still got time, so I'm gonna try and loosen this up a little more, because it's a little too tight. And you're shopping, I think this is a good like everyday type of bag without breaking the bank. Showing, you know, other bags, but I was like, oh, I think this is a nicely made bag. Yeah, this is a lot better for me. This is probably how I would carry her. And like I said, say you at the register paying for your stuff, it'll be Apple Pay for me. So I'll just go and grab my phone and pull it out and tap on the register. But let's just say, because a lot of stores don't take Apple Pay, touch this pay. So again, my wallet is right here. I can grab it, pull out what I need, pay for my stuff, and then easily put everything back. That was the hand sanitizer, and like I said, it closed perfectly. So yeah, you all, if you are looking for a cute everyday bag and don't want to break the bank, because you know I wanted that I had wanted that Louis Vuitton bum bag, and of course they not even making the bag. I don't know if they're going to bring it back out or whatever. So I was like, okay, of course this is not a Louis Vuitton bum bag, but it will do for now. I was like, okay, I'll go and invest in something like this, because this is all I need when I go out. Like if I go grocery shopping, if I go to Trader Joe's, to the outlets. I don't have no little kids that play sports, but if I did, this is something that I would bring with me to worry about carrying a big old bag. This is something I would even take to the movies. I know sometimes I do take bigger bags, because most of the time I just take water into the movies. I don't take like food or anything. Sometimes I may take like little snacks, but I try not to eat snacks as much as I used to, y'all, because your girl done put on some weight. But it's okay. It's okay, because you know, what can you do? Get into 6. Now 6 is a little tight, but I can get into a 6. I'm not trying to go past a 8, and I'm not trying to go below a 6, if y'all get what I'm saying. Quick, I'm gonna show you what I had in here, just so y'all can see how much this little thing holds. If you decide to purchase this, let me know. If you already have it, let me know. This here comes in a lot of colors. I do plan, not sure, but if my daughter end up getting one, then I'll just get a different color than I have so we can switch out, because they had this blush pink, black, and like an army color. I didn't want that, and I didn't want black, so she found this behind the register for me. So I was like, okay, good, I want that color, because y'all, if y'all didn't know, pink is like my favorite color. My wallet, hand sanitizer, hand wipes, and Body Works hand sanitizer, and my iPhone. And like I said before, it is the 12 Pro Max. Smaller than you already know, it'll fit perfectly inside this hair bag. I do have my Glow lip gloss by Dior, AirPods, and then I have my Blotterazzi, because y'all, when I tell you my forehead be shining and my Sephora friend be looking out like, girl, I'm like, okay, I may have to carry this even if I don't wear makeup, because I don't wear makeup like a full face at work. Okay, y'all, I was told I was not oily, I was glowing, and it's because of the Paula's Choice. When I tell you that stuff really works, and I use it morning and night. And I don't wear a full face at work, so it's like my forehead be shiny, and I'm like, okay, I'm gonna start carrying this around so I can like keep up on that, because I can't be walking around all shiny. Oh, and really quick, you all, this new lip combo, I will link this down below for you all, because if you like me, who like to wear a dark liner with like a nice nude in the middle, I'm telling you, this is the best lip color. Number Pillow Talk 3 Intense, and it looks like this, and it has the number 3 on the front. Make sure it says number 3, because she has one, I think she has the original 2 and then 3 color right here. So this is like the shade that I like. Now y'all know I love my Sephora Madalassi number, I think it's number 17 or something like that. Y'all know I love that. I'm gonna link that down below as well, because that pencil is really nice if you don't want. Here is a little over $20, so to me it's worth it. I have never, it's a lip, it's a refillable lip stick or something. What is this? It's a refillable lipstick, you all, and this is what I have on my lips along with the liner. And when I tell you, I am so in love with these here lipsticks by Hourglass, you all. Oh my gosh, like, and it has a little weight to it, so it don't feel cheap, and I'm glad about that, because I don't like something that's cheap. Like, I don't like cheap feeling products, but this here has weight to it, and I love this so much. And I have on the Sephora Pink Crystal lip gloss, and you know the lip glosses at Sephora are one of my all-time favorites. Want me to do a get ready with me? Let me know down below, and I will use all these products so y'all can actually see for yourself. So again, let me know down below. If I get at least 5 people wanting me to do a get ready with me, then I'll go ahead and do it, because I just feel like I want to make sure y'all, will want to watch that. So yeah, if I could get 5 or more, I will go ahead and do a get ready with me. But like I said, I will link everything down below. I'm gonna put everything in this bag so I'll know what products to link down below in this here video. I wanted to get on here and share my newest purchase, Lululemon belt bag. So yeah, I want y'all to get one like Miss Tamika. So again, I'm gonna try and find this and link it down below for you all. So with that being said, you all, I did good. It's 11:20. I set my alarm to 11:30. I did take my braids out. I threw my hair up in a bun. I did this myself. Like, I grabbed some weave hair. I had old weave hair. I just kind of like touched it up, like, put some gel in it, put some spray in it to bring it back. And I also have on a clip-on bang, just in case you wanted to know for today, because y'all know it is hot here in Georgia. I was thinking about getting my hair blown out, only because I wanted her to cut my hair to a healthy length, and I also wanted her to, you know, deep condition it or whatever, because if y'all didn't know, I haven't been to a hair salon in over 10 years. So it's probably about that time, just so she can just cut it up for me, because I'm sure I have a lot of dead hair. Because I have been cutting my hair myself. Like, I'll just put it in a ponytail, bring the ponytail down, and have my daughter cut it across. But I don't want to do that anymore. I want a really good, healthy cut, so I can see, you know, so my hair can grow back to, you know, really healthy cut, because you know that with this heat, my hair probably not going to last. And me personally, I don't like to have my hair flying in my face and all of that. So yeah. So with that being said, you all, I hope y'all enjoyed this hair video. If y'all did, please give this video a big thumbs up, because you know it helps out my channel, you all. Don't forget to click on that subscribe button. It's going to be right here. Go on and click on that subscribe button, you all, because it really helps out my channel. And with that being said, I will talk to you later. Bye.